in SAT was I teach people to work in themselves in a context of mutual aid.
En permanence, on est en train de découvrir et d'apprendre sur soi, avec les autres et ensemble. C'est magique.
Opens the atmosphere in the whole group to look on the one hand really on the problems that we have in life and to share it freely, more freely.
Teach groups to work with each other, to help each other, to reinforce the beginnings of the work on oneself at many levels.
Finalement, ce groupe, il est très fort et il nous porte dans cette aventure de l'intérieur.
Es reconfortante compartir tus mismos sentimientos y sentir que reconocer otras personas y reconocerte tú en esas otras personas. Y yo creo que te ayuda a trabajar.
It had 3 levels, SAT 1, 2 and 3, and I planned to teach mostly Vipassana meditation in the first step, in the second Zazen, and in the third Tibetan meditation. If we try to not do anything, our ego will be our enemy. It's like swimming against the stream. The ego wants to go in one direction and we want to stop it.
How important it is to be centered in myself and how I need to do that and how tiring it is not to be centered. And these are things that I were not aware of before.
Moi, je suis venu ici pour découvrir ce que j'avais en moi, ce que je ressentais, et les différents éléments qui se passent d'une journée. Ça commence avec des mouvements, ça passe avec de la méditation, avec d'autres exercices qui font sortir tous ces éléments-là. Et pour moi, ça, c'est la richesse.
I feel that this program kind of brought order into my chaos.
That was really important because it brought together the body, the mind, the spirit, the psychological aspects, not one more important than the other.
One important element of that, it came through Bob Hoffman's work dealing with the unfinished situation with parents. We'd have to redigest the experience of parents. We have to get rid of all kinds of sick patterns of relation that come from early childhood.
Like more, so yeah, I can see you now. Before I was like, just get away from me, and now I have the distance to like, yeah, actually, it's beautiful that you're my parents.
I hadn't thought about it, but it's like, okay, let's look at mom and dad, and I was like, oh yeah, of course, this makes sense. I mean, this is where we begin life, and those years are so crucial to how we turn out. So for me, it dawned on me, but I mean, it dawned on me through, the facilitators were saying, okay, now we're going to examine them. I was like, oh, yeah, this.
Important. C'est un fil rouge que la formation SAT propose, avec différentes étapes, mais qui sont très cohérentes. C'est un chemin vers sa relation à ses parents, c'est un chemin vers la relation à soi, aux autres.
It's an ongoing process, like you could say, it's like putting a puzzle together. It's a new way of working which was not just therapeutic, not just meditation, but a broad palette.
Also ich möchte meine Dankbarkeit ausdrücken für diese Komposition oder diese Sinfonie, in die man da eintauchen kann.
And then in the mix with the movement on the theater as well as in the dance, it kind of takes away my brain and brings me to like some sort of deeper power, which at first scared me a lot when I first discovered them.
Get into my body and be my body, feel my body, live the contact to other bodies, and that was also very fulfilling.
Gurdjieff used to say, we are nothing but machines that have idealized themselves. We have a potential to be more than machines. When a machine becomes self-aware, then it has a choice to do differently.
It was very important to know the Enneagram, the stronger or the dominant part in me.
J'ai appris au travers du SAT que j'étais une personne avec des traits de caractère assez énergiques, on va dire, énergétiques, en guerre, constamment en guerre, en tout cas en guerre avec lui-même d'abord, et ensuite avec pas mal de choses de l'ordre de l'injustice. Et en ressortant du troisième SAT, ce que je ressens surtout, c'était une paix intérieure.
I did not teach therapeutic techniques or therapeutic theories, or very much about spiritual the theories either. I concentrated on practice, it's all experiential.
Finalement, l'originalité du SAT, pour moi, c'est quand même une école du regard intérieur. C'est quand même pas courant dans nos vies, dans nos sociétés, alors encore plus, de tourner la caméra un moment sur soi.
Here's envy. Envy is a painful sense of lack.
It's like there's a description in words, and then there's a feeling, and I couldn't match it. And now I get it.
Ein Satz, der mich total angesprochen hat, nämlich das Realisieren, dass wie viel Lebensenergie unsere Maske eigentlich von uns nimmt. Und wenn ich das auch ausspreche, kann ich schon mal ein Berührtsein fühlen. Das ist etwas, was so ein ganz dickes Klick gemacht hat.
Was to laugh again about myself, not to take me too serious, and to surrender really, because I'm so much in my head normally.
De pouvoir également petit à petit rentrer dans ce processus de transformation guidé par les différentes approches que le SAT utilise. Donc voilà, moi je recommande vraiment à chacun, et plus particulièrement aux personnes qui font de l'accompagnement, de démarrer ce voyage intérieur en parcourant les différents SAT proposés.
Qu'est-ce qui te reste comme...
Como está bien, ¿no? O sea, como que puedo ser yo, así como un acogimiento muy rico.
When we really see ourselves as we are, we want to get rid of how we are. That's the transformation, death and rebirth.
Allowing myself to let go and just be exactly how I am.
Je suis sortie de ma bulle, je peux aller vers l'autre. J'étais enfermée dans une bulle, maintenant dedans c'est habité et ça me permet de trouver comment aller avec l'autre. Et c'est une nouvelle aventure parce que j'ai tout à apprendre. Une belle aventure.
Mais c'est juste qu'on arrive à revenir véritablement dans ces forces du cœur qui sont aujourd'hui dans nos sociétés juste bannies, quoi.
There's goodwill here. There's acceptance and goodwill and a good heart amongst people. I feel that very strongly. And that's so refreshing. It's very nourishing for me. You know, for me to come here is the most touch that I have in my life. It's, I need it. I need that.
De tout l'amour qu'il y a ici, de toute l'énergie. On a le droit de prendre sa place, on trouve sa place. Enfin, ça me laisse presque sans voix. Enfin.
What really contributed to help me to work on myself was to trust in the facilitators, like to have the facilitators there where I feel they are really they know what they are doing and that I can really trust them, to have the right questions in the right moments.
Even though I'm right now at the point of not knowing really where to go or what is the next step, but I wait and feel and actually really enjoy just being still with myself. And this is, yeah, I mean, for me too.
If you know yourself, knowing yourself is knowing the truth. The truth of being, you could say. And though Buddhism prefers not to call it being and not to call it non-being either. Not to call it.